this infrastructure, we can be able to test 3 different stations at one particular time. We are dealing with this infrastructure so we can be able to run tests concurrently and make sure we minimize the amount of time that we do the testing. Currently, we have a static equipment which does not be removed. We can use software to configure the station and then set the environment for the test to begin. Currently, we also test some of the factory acceptance testing, which has 2 layers, which is FET 2 for functional and FET 3 and 4 for interlocking testing. On general, the stations layouts are different, but on an average stage can take about 5 days. But by introducing this amount of this infrastructure, we have reduced the amount of time that it can take for one particular station to be tested. We have currently moved away from analog testing. We have gone to digitalisation, making operationals of automation and also digitalisation and recordings of our tests. We can archive the tests that we have done, so whenever we need to review them, it can be reviewed. And also the automation of the testing can reduce some of the interlocking tests. We currently support the overall project by making sure that we do the testing in a very fast amount of time. We are configuring stations and debugging stations according to factory acceptance testing. So sometimes, for instance, the test outside, the guys will call and want to debug some of the faults that they are currently experiencing. We can assist them with that.